How to fix auto is not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart. Again, click on restart your phone. Now go back. After that, check charger. Now charger will be start from your phone. Now go back. After that, clear cache of Android updates. Again, open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search Android, click on Android Auto, scroll down, click on storage. Here you will see clear cache. And if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, Android Auto or update clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Again, open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update option. And if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be update from your phone. Now go back. This is how you can fix auto is not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.